If you have a lot of data, how can you extract insight or value from it? Maybe just hand it over to a data scientist? But what processes do they follow to ensure they effectively apply AI technologies to solve a business problem? As always, this video has simplified topics. It is designed to expose you to key ideas and concepts. It's based on my own experience and personal views, and I would recommend doing further research yourself. As a data scientist, we go through 6 key steps to solve problems. We understand the problem first, select the data, code up and develop a pipeline. Then we iterate back through these steps, and then once we're happy with it, we deploy the solution. Throughout, we will utilize fundamental tools and technologies to support the process. The first step of the data science process is understanding the problem. When we go in to solve a problem, we need to know what we are trying to address and what is the business need. Without this, we do not have direction, and we will not be able to provide value. It is important for us to identify the problem, the stakeholders, and the metrics for success. This ensures that we're heading in the right direction. Once we understand the problem, we look at what data is available to address it. This is known as data selection. This can include data from within the business or external sources. We must understand where the data is stored, its structure, biases, and reliability. This will serve as the foundations for addressing the problem identified in the previous stage. The next stage is developing a pipeline. This is when we process the data and implement the tools discussed in previous videos. In this stage, the scientist part of data science takes place. We explore and experiment in an attempt to use the data to address the business problem. The next video will go deeper into this stage. Once we have come to an answer, we then go back and iterate. This is a very important step as it allows us to reassess the problem and consider whether we answered the question. Did we meet our metrics, and was it even the right question? We will also reassess the data. Is there better data available now? Have we missed something? This iteration improves the result and leads to a refined and improved answer to the problem. Once the business and data scientists are happy with the tool that addresses the business problem, we need to deploy it so it can be used and add value to the business. Deploying could be any form of implementation, as long as the results are used by the business and help address the initial problem. Throughout this process, there are overarching elements that support each step. These are the foundations. It includes things like communication, version control, project management, tools that really ensure accuracy and timeliness. By following this structured approach, both the business and technology aspects of the problem are addressed. It is important to develop a solution that is not just accurate and advanced, but one that is useful and adds value to the business. These steps ensure that is the case. Thank you for watching. If you want more information, please use some of the links in the description. Feel free to leave a comment or question, and please subscribe if you want more content.